If you don't like dogs but still love game nights, then this one's for you. Let's dive in. I have a pretty severe dog allergy, and I recently invited a small group of friends over for a game night. One of my friends has a service dog for his anxiety, which I totally respect. But I told him beforehand that I can't be around dogs because of my allergies. He said it wouldn't be an issue because I could just take allergy meds and keep windows open. I tried to explain that even with meds I'd still be uncomfortable, and honestly, I don't want a dog in my house for hours. He said I was being ableist and not considering his needs, even though I feel like I'm the one who would physically suffer. The rest of the group is split. Some say I'm being unfair to him, others think it's reasonable because it's my house and my health. Now I'm second-guessing myself. So am I the jerk for refusing to let the service dog in? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments.